Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to prepare almonds and coriander rice. So let's begin with the process. Here I am taking some basmati rice. You can take any variety of rice that you prefer, and we need to rinse it really well for 2 to 3 times or until we get clean water. You can take rice based on the number of people you want to serve. Here I am preparing rice for 2 of us. Once rice is cleaned, I will transfer it in the pressure cooker and will add the required quantity of water. Here I have some coriander. I will separate the stems. You can use it in preparing masalas or in preparing gravies, curries, etc. Like you can basically use it when you are making a paste out of something. I will roughly chop the leaves. And now we'll transfer this into the pressure cooker along with rice and water. I will also add some 6 to 8 almonds and pinch of sauf and jeera. You can even soak the almonds and use it or use it just like that. We'll give this a mix. If you prefer, you can add pinch of salt as well at this stage, but we did not want it to add salt because we will be having it with gravy. So giving this a good mix, we'll put the lid on and allow this to cook for 1 whistle. And here the rice is ready and it's time to serve it. Here I have some roasted black chana powder. I'll simply keep it in the plate. Add salt as per taste. Adding some mustard oil for some enhanced taste. If you do not like the taste of mustard oil, you can also replace it with olive oil or completely skip this process. Now I will add water as needed. And mix everything well to give it a chutney-like consistency. Well, you can make this chutney very runny or even thick based on your preference. I am going to keep this a bit thick. Here our chutney is ready and here is how the almonds coriander rice look like. We'll serve the rice. I have used basmati rice, but you can use any variety of rice that you prefer. We'll serve the beans. Here I have my homemade sweet curd. Over here I have some black sesame seeds chutney that I made yesterday and I kept it in fridge. I will be serving this chutney as well. Here I have some mustards and green chili chutney that I prepared with vinegar. The detailed recipe you will get on my channel as well. So I'll be serving some of this also. By the way, this is one of my favorite, you can say pickle or chutney that is very tasty and very easy to make. So here our lunch is all ready. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.